Hey, I'm meteorologist Pete Mangione. Good evening, and we are waiting for the next rainstorm to arrive. We just had one, right? So if you're sick of the rain, you may not want to watch this video, but that's okay. I'll make it a short one. So here's what to expect from this next system, and this looks very similar to the graphic that I used last night because it'll be a similar system to the one that just came through. Now, the timing looks like it will be from Monday evening, probably towards the end of the evening commute into the early hours of Tuesday morning. I think this will be mostly done before the Tuesday morning commute. How much rain are we talking about? Well, about an inch to an inch and a half. Could be some spots which receive a bit more than that. It's always possible when we have a healthy tap of moisture, which we will with this system. But like the last system, this will also be a fairly fast mover. So hopefully the rapid movement out of our area on Tuesday morning will prevent any widespread flooding issues. But we'll have to watch out for the potential of some localized street flooding. Winds will likely gust between 30 and 45. I think those 40-plus gusts will be reserved for areas along the south coast. And we could see some gusts closer to 50 for Block Island, the Cape Islands. That's where the highest risk of some wind damage and isolated power outages would be. For a lot of the area, you can see I'm painting in 25 to 35-mile-an-hour gusts. And yeah, that's breezy, but wind speeds like that generally not enough to create wind damage and power outages, but you could see a little bit of that down towards the south coast. And again, like I just said, especially towards Block Island, the Cape, and Islands, and even up through the eastern coast of Massachusetts. So we'll keep an eye on that. In terms of rainfall, the data has been pretty consistent towards the end of the Monday evening commute. The showers, downpours start to roll through, continuing heavy at times Monday night into Tuesday morning, and then wrapping up by probably before sunrise on Tuesday. Could be a little bit of snow north of the Mast Pike, but here in southern New England, we will not be seeing that. So sorry, snow lovers, we're going to have to wait a bit longer to get any of the white stuff. Although on Wednesday, you know, it may be sort of a day where it's blustery, it's chilly. We'll get some ocean effect snow showers out towards eastern Massachusetts, and even some snow showers and snow flurries are possible for Rhode Island and a good part of southeastern Massachusetts on Wednesday, although I'm not expecting much in the way of accumulation. We'll keep an eye on that for you. So that's all for now. Have a good night, and we will be back with updates.